In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert code to another language with Codeium. By the end, you'll know how to take a snippet in one language and drop it seamlessly into another using Codeium's Smart Paste, with minimal manual cleanup and maximum accuracy. First, make sure you've got the source code you want to translate ready to go. This could be something you found in a documentation page or a snippet from your existing project. Highlight the entire portion you want to convert and copy it to your clipboard. It helps to include any relevant imports or helper functions in the selection so the translated result is complete. If the original snippet relies on context, try to capture that too. Keeping related pieces together gives Codeium more to work with. Next, open the file in your IDE where you want the translated code to appear. The language of this file is what drives the translation. For example, if you open a .rs file, you're targeting Rust. A .ts file targets TypeScript, and so on. Place your cursor exactly where you want the converted code to land. This is important because Codeium will insert the result right at the cursor, respecting the surrounding code and style. If you're migrating a function, position the caret inside the correct module or class so names, scopes, and imports align naturally. Now trigger Smart Paste. On a Mac, press Command plus Option plus V. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Make sure your focus is in the target file when you do this. Codeium reads the code you copied to your clipboard, detects that your current file is in a different language, and converts the snippet to match that target language. It also considers your local context, such as existing variable names and common patterns in the file, so the pasted result feels native to your project. Once the translated code appears, give it a careful review. Confirm that the logic matches your intent, that function and variable names are consistent with the rest of your codebase, and that imports or dependencies are correctly referenced. If your project uses specific libraries or types, you may want to adjust the import lines or type annotations to match your conventions. This is also a good moment to format the file and run your usual build or lint checks, just to ensure everything lines up cleanly. If something doesn't look right, you can undo, tweak your selection, and try Smart Paste again for a refined result. And that's it. Copy the source code, open the target file, use Smart Paste, then review and finalize. It's a fast, reliable way to translate code while staying in your flow.